Today I discuss about the organic nomenclature of class 11. It is in chapter 12. The name of the chapter is the preliminary concept of organic chemistry. Now we first have to know the process of the nomenclature. This is UPAC nomenclature. That is the name. The UPAC nomenclature stands for I for international, U for union, P for pure, A for applied, C for chemistry. So the full name of UPAC, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Now we have to know what is the necessity of the IUPAC nomenclature. In beginning, so when some organic molecule invented, the name given by the scientists as their choice or as their source from which it invented. But when the number of organic molecule become billion, this is very much difficult to remember individually by which the organic molecule name as scientist choice or as from source of the molecule by which it invented. So we need to consider one process by which we can name all the organic molecules. This is UPAC process, and the first thing of the UPAC process, IUPAC process, the name of organic compound divided into 4 parts. This stands for, I take a simple example, our name divided into 2 parts, that is one name and one is surname. Some people has also middle name, so 3 parts in their names. So according this nomenclature, organic molecule has the name which we can divide it into 4 parts, the A, B, C and D. In A we must write the name of the side chain, in B main chain, in C CC single bond, that is N, or double bond, that is in, or CC triple bond, that is ine, and in D part we must write the name of the functional group. Now first we have to identify what is side chain and what is main chain. Here I write a carbon chain. Only carbon atom I have written, no other atom I have written, that is hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen may present in organic compound. By here I write the carbon only because to identify the main chain or side chain. According to the theory, the main chain is the chain where the number of carbon is maximum. I consider here different chains, that is in this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number carbons are present, and another chain may be this, and in this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number carbon present. In the straight chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 molecules, 6 carbons are also present, and in this chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 carbon atom present. So here I see only where the 7 carbon are present, these are the main chain. So I draw the box of draw the box for the straight main chain, and it has 7 carbon, and the remaining carbon which directly join in the main chain considered as side chain. Now the name of the side chain which we can write in part A, that is if 1 carbon present in side chain, that is CH3, that is methyl. If 2 carbon present in side chain, here also 1 carbon present, but if another carbon present with the side chain, that is must be this is ethyl, and if 3 carbon present, that must be considered as propyl, and many more side chain present, but we discuss about it later. Now we have to know the name of the main chain, that is which you can write in part B. Now the name of the main chain is considered according to the number of carbon present in the main chain. That is, if one carbon present in main chain, that must be meth. If two carbon present, that is eth. If three, prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, or 8 oct, 9 non, 10 dec. And in part C, if C single bond present, that is N. If a double bond present, that is in. If triple bond present, that is ein. If double bond present with single bond, then only we must write in, not in. The name of the single bond we omit. And if triple bond also present in with single bond, then we can write the name of the triple bond only, not single bond, name of the single bond. And if double bond and triple bond present together, then we must write the name of the double bond and triple bond both. Now I give an example here. Here a molecule which has 4 carbon atom present, and here I can see no side chain present in this molecule. So I have divided the name in 4 parts, A, B, C and D. In part A we must write the name of the side chain, as here no side chain present, so I cross the position A. Now I write the main chain name has as 4 carbon present in the main chain. So as 4 carbon present in main chain, so it is but. That is but. As all the carbon bond are single bond, so I write here in C, that is N. And as no no functional group present, so no D part present in this molecule, so I cross the part position D. So the name of the molecule is butane. And one thing you must notice here, no space has given between the two fragments of the organic molecule. Thank you.